Oh, you can't even see it. It's blinding.
Came off from a big X and came home to a big bag. I'm a big boss and you big mad. Fuck around and die by my respect. Got blood all on my Christians from all my oppositions. Fuck all my oppositions.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing an updated foundation routine. My last video, I knew what I was doing, but kind of didn't know what I was doing. I actually got a lot of tips. So now I'm gonna basically share them with you guys. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna be using this face spray. It's like a beautiful, it gives you a beautiful glow. This is made by Egyptian Glow. I'm gonna leave her Instagram down in the description bar. But this leaves your skin so glowy. It smells so amazing, and it just gives the perfect glow after putting on your makeup. Even before, if you don't want to put makeup on, you just put this on. You want just a natural glow, put this on and you got it. So I'm gonna shake up the bottle. Look how pretty that looks. So I'm gonna spray this all over my face. I want to basically give my face a nice base and have it nice and moisturized. Actually, put a little bit of moisturizer on my face already a while ago, and I let it set and everything. So next, I'm just gonna put this on to give myself a nice natural glow. So you see I'm glowing already. And I'm going to take this MAC strobe cream. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to cover up my discolorations. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm using orange, and I'm going to put this all over my dark spots. And when you're doing concealer and you're concealing dark spots, you want to use an orange or a red to cancel out the dark. So I'm going to take a damp beauty blender. You want to make sure that your beauty blender is always clean, because you don't ever want to transfer dirt from the beauty blender back into your skin. So I'm just going to blend everything out. Now that that's blended out really well, you want to take your concealer and you want to put that over your red, because you want to cancel out that red. You don't really want that red to show under your foundation, so you want to put the concealer to cancel out that red. I'm using the LA Girl, and I'm using Toffee, and I'm going to put that basically where the red is. You can also put a liquid illuminator on your skin, which I'm going to do because I like to be extra glowy. And then I'm going to go with my Sephora foundation. I am the number 55 Cocoa. That's me. I'm going to take that same beauty blender and I'm going to blend everything all out. You see that glow? It is so beautiful. Like, and I don't ever glow that much before putting this on my face. Like, I'm telling y'all, this gives you extra beautiful glow. Like, you have to go cop that ASAP. Apply my foundation. I'm going to spray my face with a little bit of setting spray. So I'm going to take the same beauty blender and I'm going to blend everything out. And when you're blending out the makeup, you want to do, at first you want to do like tough pats. I like to like pack it in. And then as it gets, you know, more into the skin, I go lighter. You just out here got me glowing and all that. Like, so I'm doing lighter pats. So I'm getting all the makeup all in there, and I want that all to set. Anyways, I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm going to use this to blend out my concealer. I'm going to conceal. Using a little bit goes a long way. You definitely do not need a lot of concealer or product period on your face, because you just don't. Putting on translucent setting powder for our brown skin tones is not really good, because it has a peach undertone. They don't really have mustardy tones. You want like mustard tones to go with your undertone. So that's what I learned. Like, translucent powder is a no. So I actually didn't throw it out, because I can use it for my lids and stuff, but I still have it, but I don't use it anymore. I went back to my Sacha, because I was using Sacha before actually, but I'm back to my baby. You want to make sure that you don't have any creasing. My setting powder, I do pat it into my skin. If you do swipe it, it's just not gonna sit properly. It's just gonna move. It's just not gonna stay and sit. Also, you don't want to leave this on for too long, so you just want to put this on and literally wipe it off. I don't want to bake, because I don't want flashback. If you're gonna bake for like 2 minutes. Don't bake for 30 minutes. Try to do eyeshadow and all that. I'm going to dust away all this powder, and then I'm going to get into contour. So I'm going to use my True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance, and I'm going to use the medium to dark palette. And I'm going to contour my face. You basically want to do contour to give yourself a nice shape. You do want to contour under your chin to give it more of a slim down look. When you contour, you want to put this in the hollow of your cheeks, and you want to follow where your ear is and go down to where the corner of your mouth is. And I don't go too far down. You don't want to bring it all the way down here. I just stop like right here. And I'm going to contour all on my forehead. I do deepen in my cheekbone. So I'm going to set underneath my contour. You basically want to give it that nice sharp look and everything. So you basically set it to clean it all up. We are going to set everything. So I'm not really going to show this to you because it's all cracked up in there and everything. But I am using the Fit Me by Maybelline, and I'm using the shade Coconut. It's the number 355. And I'm going to put that all over my face to set my makeup. I'm going to dust this powder away. So now I'm going to set my makeup. I'm going to use this glow spray again, because when I put on my highlighter, listen, you're just gonna fall in love. It's gonna look like my backdrop. Y'all like my backdrop? Tell me if you like my backdrop, and I'll tell you where I get it from. I got it from. Like, so cute, right? I love it. So I'm gonna spray this on my face. Do y'all see this skin? I'm taking my favorite highlighter. I don't care what nobody say. It's called Maybelline Chrome Studio. Maybelline Master Chrome Studio highlighter. This is, oh, you can't even see it. It's blinding. This is Molten Gold. So we're gonna see how this glow spray helps our skin glow after putting on highlighter. Like, I'm about to show y'all right now. I'm getting mad excited. So I'm not even gonna take a lot. I'm just gonna build the product. Do you see that already? Listen, I don't got nothing on this brush already. Like, this is my best friend. So this is the updated foundation routine that I got, and I'm so happy to share it with you guys, and I hope you guys get all the tips and all that from this video. So I'm gonna check you out my next video. I'm about to make another video, and you can check that soon. I'm gonna check you out my next video. Peace.